Welcome back, guys. As we're here to make IT great again at Holker, and we are a Lenovo Gold Partner, we've been sent some new bits of kit, new bits of hardware, which is all it's about, what we install. We're going to run through why they're good for schools and businesses. Joined today by Matthew, who is the Chief Exec.
Good morning, good afternoon all.
Good morning, good afternoon. Perfect.
Looking forward to this. A nice bit of gentle respite and playing with some hardware.
Not too sure what we've got, so we'll have to
goodies here.
crack them open and see where we can go for them.
So these have been sent to us from Lenovo to demo.
Yeah.
For our clients of the schools.
Yeah, exactly. Just have a play with them, make sure that they're right, see if they're fit for schools and businesses, and then we can start talking to clients about them.
Am I right in saying these are in the offer from Lenovo? You get up to £150 cash back.
That's right, yeah. So if you're a business in education or a school, you can claim £150 back with their Connected Ed. I don't know what they call it, program.
Connected program, yeah.
Connected program. So again, you can get new kit and refresh it, and you get £150 back per laptop as well. So it's a brilliant offer. We'll get started.
What's important to remember, only Gold Partners and selected Gold Partners are available to give you this offer. So you probably won't be able to get these off the web with that offer included. So again, if you want to come and speak to us about these, let's do the traditional way. Let's pick up the phone and speak to each other.
Give us a call, yeah.
I'm looking forward to this. But we're going to give an honest review of these laptops.
Yeah.
Not so much about the spec, because I'm a great believer in how do they look, how do they feel,
how do they
work on your desk.
Yeah.
So should we see which one we've got open
We could.
first?
And if you're Lenovo, don't watch this.
Yeah, please don't. Let's have a look what we've got in here.
Wicked.
It's unboxer.
I do like the way that laptops get shipped now as well. They're just a lot more.
Well, these look like they're straight from Germany.
Yeah, I believe they have.
Oh, it's sealed in, properly sealed in this one.
There we go.
Oh, what have we got here?
The box out of the way.
Well, this has got to be ThinkPad P16. I'm guessing at that size. I'm guessing. I don't know. We will find out in a minute.
It's say in the box.
Oh no. No, yeah, it's P16s.
P16s. Brilliant. So these are one of their mobile workstations at the minute. AI ready as well, as a lot of the new hardware is these days.
It looks quite smart. I'll tell you what.
Pretty sturdy.
Yeah, good build quality. Oh, yeah, look, the chassis doesn't move. Solid.
I was reading about these the other day, actually. They're supposed to have spill-resistant keyboards now. I'm not going to suggest we test it.
Should we put them under where their mouth is? Some water over it.
I'm not sure. It's spill-resistant. I don't really know what to call that, really. Is it?
Comes Dolby Audio on it. Very nice. I mean, is this a mobile workstation? What specs?
Yeah, it's a mobile workstation, 16-inch screen. It's got the Intel vPro. It's the i7 processor that it's got in it, actually. And again, it's got the
NVIDIA GeForce.
No, that's the P1 that's got the GeForce in it. So the P16 is their sort of not lower model, but it's still a ThinkPad. But it's not got the graphics card in it. It's just got the built-in one with the chip. But it is AI ready again, so it's got an NPU built in as well. So there's a nice little bit of kit, to be fair. The only thing, this is my one bugbear with Lenovo.
Go on.
That red button.
Yeah, well, that's the old IBM days, isn't it?
Yeah, I just think like, just shift them off.
What they need to do is make it green for Holker green.
That'd be really good.
Holker IT green. Because they can make IT great again if they did that.
Yeah.
They make laptops great again.
That's all that's missing from them. But yeah, they're supposed to be really robust. I think it's got 64 gig of memory on these as well. So
the quality's there. I mean, you can feel it in the build quality of the device. Well put together. I mean, just to make people aware, we don't sell home user products.
Yeah.
We're business to business or business to education. So, this is a real world actual tester being on your desk and being used every day. Rather than just spec, you've got to think about actually the durability of the hinges, output ports. Certainly if you're in school, you tend to get a lot of old equipment. So again, you're getting full HDMI. Look at that, full HDMI output port.
Oh, that is good.
Really good idea.
You don't see them now.
Network port on the side.
Yeah.
Again, some really good features. But yeah, lovely, nicely finished. Keyboards. No backlit keyboard though.
I can't be if you're a student or a teacher working at night.
No. Yeah.
Are you going to be able to?
So how often the Lenovo's are going to agree to send these to us? Quite frequently now for testing?
Yeah, they're going to send them out now and again. I think they're going to try and get one out to us at least once a month, I think. So we'll have a few to keep trying, have a play with. But again, these are ideal, I think, for schools, especially with the offer on them. You get £150 back per laptop.
Yeah, and these would be ideal for a teacher, wouldn't they? In a classroom, into the screens, into the whiteboards. Really robust.
Got all the connectivity for it just to hook up.
Fantastic. Have you felt it?
Yeah, it's
really robust device.
I do like the new finishes that they've got on them now, the Lenovo's, to be fair.
The only thing that's a bit annoying, I've noticed it straight away. I don't know if you can see this on the camera. You start seeing the handprints and everything. That is just really, and if you're a bit like me, don't like
put your hands everywhere.
You don't get that with the Surface.
No, you don't.
To be fair, you don't get that with the Surface.
I think it's the black in it. It always kind of shows them up.
Yeah, but like straight away, look, pick it up with your hand, and you're going to go like that, aren't you? You carry it, and straight away you're getting prints on it.
Yeah, you probably need to invest in some.
So there you go, Lenovo.
As well.
You need to make them so you don't put prints all over them, or you need to send some cleaning cloths.
Or cleaning cloths as well. Decent bit of kit that though.
Yeah, but yeah, no, it's a nice kit. Right. Should we see what else we've got for the other one?
Yeah, definitely.
So what spec is it? Do you want to read the spec out so everyone can see what the spec is? So these are up to £150 back per device. So if you order 50 devices, or you could order one device to be there.
Well, yeah.
Up to £150 back per device. And what's the guidance for it? Has to be under 8 years old?
Has to be under 8 years old, which, but it doesn't have to be a laptop as well. It can be any bit of technology. So it could be your whiteboards, could be workstations, pretty much anything. They're running the offer at the minute till the 31st of March. So we've got a little bit of time. But yeah, laptops, desktops, tablets, servers, network switches, projectors, as long as they're within that last 8 years, you can send it back. And it's basically one bit of kit for a laptop, 150 quid off. So it's just a good way to start refreshing your hardware as well.
Yeah, really good. And what's the spec of this one? What's the actual spec?
So yeah, 16-inch workstation, AI ready, enterprise grade security, which Lenovo say they've got on all their ThinkPads now, to be fair. Memory up to 64 gig, 4 SSD storage. Again, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth. It's got an integrated Intel Arc or an AMD Radeon graphics. So
what's that one?
Which ones have got in, to be fair.
What's rough retail price on
that? These are, at the minute, they're going for $950.
Right, so
it's not too bad.
Okay. Again, you're best off doing bid pricing on them. So again, if you want it, we can bid pricing, get the bid pricing down.
Yeah.
And then arrange, obviously, £150
That's if you just go on the website and buy one, to be fair. But yeah.
Really nice. Right, shall we see what's in the next box?
We should. Oh, you've got it there as well, haven't you?
Got another one here. So what's in this one? Thanks. I think our product vendor manager has been in this one. So if you're listening, Shem, we know you've been here pulling them out.
He's been having a play with them before everyone else.
So you got a pack in this one. There you go.
Delivery shipping notes. Doesn't really tell you much else on there, to be fair.
Yeah.
Oh, it does tell you what it is. It is the ThinkPad P1. So I've spoiled it a little bit there.
You've done the right,
yeah.
So this is the more expensive one of the two, is it?
This is their top of the range ThinkPad.
Is it?
Yeah. So
Still got the same problem with fingerprints.
Yeah, they look similar, to be fair. You wouldn't really, I think, notice at first glance the difference. Still got the bloody red button as well, which I know is their ThinkPad design, but
again, same chassis as the other one. Absolutely solid hinges. There's no movement in the device at all. Twisting
that is pretty good, to be fair.
Yeah, if you compare that to a Surface, which are obviously metal chassis.
They're both, like you said there.
Yeah, and how much? What are these? These are more expensive ones.
They are the more expensive.
But so this is the workstation one, is it?
That's the full workstation. So this is their Gen 7 version of it. So it's the latest edition of their P1 that they've sent us.
And this is in the offer as well, up to £150.
This is the same offer. So again, 150 quid back on all these devices. This one is the one that comes with the graphics card in as well. So it's got an NVIDIA RTX graphics card in there. There's two options. You can get it with the 3060 or the 4060. So again, if you're using it for more of the high-intensive work purposes, video editing, if you're using it in the art studio, or again, if you're going to be doing quite a bit with AI, which I imagine, schools are going to have to start pushing that to students, trying to teach them about it. These are probably the best ones that are built for it as well, to be fair.
This one comes Hulker ready with a green sticker on it, just so you know.
There you go. And again, it's supposed to have the spill-resistant keyboards. It's supposed to be anti-smudge, but I'm not.
I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced by that. I'm being honest. I think, but I mean, the quality is exceptional.
Yeah, it is.
Absolutely beautiful laptop.
We'd have to test it, but they reckon as well with this, they reckon it's got the same capabilities with the Surface Pro, where it's got the noise cancelling.
All right.
They reckon if you're in a busy environment and you're on Teams, you'll only hear the person speaking. Again, I'm not 100% sure. I've not tested that on the Surfaces either, to be fair. But
we could deploy one via Intune into the and send it out and see you get some feedback from the team.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea, to be fair. But yeah, again, it's got all the ports for it as well, which I think that's the main thing.
That's the main thing. Yeah, if you go in there, they've got everything. Really handy that. Certainly in a school or a business environment.
You want to be able to connect in straight away without having to mess around.
I think these one here, I mean, put them next to each other. This would be ideal for schools, you know, decent if they can get the offer on them and get
fingerprints already.
But again, yeah, there you go, fingerprint on it. You see, that'd do my head in.
Yeah.
Again, it's not the end of the world, is it?
No, it's not the end of the world. In fact, you just got to give them a wipe. It's just a bit. Oh, they've got different keypads as well.
Oh yeah, keypads are different.
Yeah, I don't know if you'll be able to see that on the camera, but
the differences are there.
I think I prefer that because it's just got the buttons on it. But
that's definitely the whole IBM.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just a bit better that
buttons
way.
in here, isn't it?
Yeah,
yeah. It's really nice.
Yeah, definitely. I think, like I said, we're 150 quid back on him. Effectively, if you buy 10, I'm going to sound like the buy one get one free.
You buy one, you get one free.
You buy 10, you get one free.
We'll get done for that.
I'm not too sure. we'll find out.
But either way, I'd say that we're here, we're open. If you want to come and speak to us, we can help you, we can guide you, we can get you other demo laptops from Lenovo.
Yeah.
I said we are a gold partner. That means we've got qualified, certified engineers. We've got obviously the service centre behind us. But yeah, we're here to help. We're here to talk. We don't sell our products on our website.
No,
we're more human touch. Pick up the phone, speak to us. We'll look at what you're trying to do. We can mix and match these as well. So if you wanted, say, 5 of them, 15 of them, can be done. No problem. And then obviously our support team can do the backup service as well if you need it.
And the setup service as well. I think that's a big thing. Instead of just having it lands on your desk, if you're a teacher, you open it up, you're ready to go. You don't have to worry about setting it all up yourself as well, which is good.
So I think shut the video, finish off today.
Finish about there.
Hope everyone has a lovely weekend. Yeah. We're going making IT great again, aren't we, Tom?
100%. We're here to make IT great again.
Fantastic laptops.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you.
Get in touch.
See you later.
See you later.
Bye now.